Taking a look at weather, of course, lightning is a big fear out here with a lot of those. We obviously don't know what that may be, but with the storms out there, you got to be pretty careful.
Yeah, it's always a possibility when you have a storm producing several hundred lightning strikes over a short period of time. And some of the storms this afternoon have been doing that. We've had some thunder and lightning over downtown Savannah, and in our Savannah camera, we can see some of that activity often in the distance. We did have some heavier rain over Midtown, and some of that is still falling for us. But as far as temperatures, for the most part today, that has been a big part of the story, with high temperatures so far in the upper 90s. The rain cooling us off to 88 degrees here in Savannah, but still feeling like 99 degrees, and that humidity is still extremely high, leading to heat index values over 105 degrees for much of the area. Savannah is actually one of the cool spots, feeling like 99 degrees. 91 is the feels like temperature for Vidalia, definitely benefiting from some rain-cooled air with a severe storm just a little while ago. But the main system or main cluster of storms that we're watching right now is this area of storms over Candler County. This is moving to the southeast around 15 to 20 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm warning in place until 4:45, including portions of Polk County. So just along and south of Statesboro, including Interstate 16, most of Candler County and the extreme northern part of Tattnall County, including that warning. We do have the possibility of some strong wind gusts with that as it is moving through, and that's going to be the case with any of these storms that do develop this afternoon. Heavy rain and some breezy and gusty winds, quite a bit of lightning associated with the cells around the area in Chatham County. What's moving into northern portions of Jeff Davis County, southern Montgomery County, fairly weak at the moment, but still capable of producing some gusty wind as it moves toward Baxley. So a few more showers, a few more storms possible as we head into at least the early evening hours. And then for tomorrow, we will start off with a partly cloudy sky with temperatures in the middle and upper 70s, climbing into the upper 90s for those high temperatures. We could be challenging records again, and then once again we will have that potential for a few showers and storms during the later part of the day. Already we do have extreme heat warnings in place for our coastal communities for Friday, heat advisories in place for our inland communities, but it's in the counties highlighted in purple that will have the hottest heat index values, upwards of 110 to 115 degrees. So make sure you stay cool and hydrated, take plenty of breaks indoors away from the heat, and definitely stay hydrated with water, and make sure you do listen to your body, limit those outdoor activities during the peak heating hours, because if you don't, you might end up needing medical attention. So weather aware for tomorrow because of that. High pressure staying in place. That's setting us up for that heat dome that's been building in over the past few days. So very hot conditions are prevailing, but we'll get that flow out of the west and northwest around that high, which will bring in more of those showers and a few more of those storms as we head into the day tomorrow. And of course, with that high pressure, much hotter conditions will remain with us. Looks like the record highs are safe for the next few days. Forecast highs in the upper 90s. Those records are around 100 to 102 degrees over the next 4 days. But going beyond that forecast, we actually do have triple-digit heat in the forecast. In the tropics, Tropical Storm Cristobal has dissipated as a tropical system as it moves toward the Azores. Still have two tropical waves toward the equator. The one that was a little bit stronger in the central Atlantic starting to show some signs of weakening. Both of them are battling some dry air and cooler ocean water temperatures and some wind shear, so we don't expect them to become significant systems at this point, but worth keeping an eye on as we do head through August toward the peak of hurricane season in September. For tonight, 78 degrees with a bit of cloud cover around, definitely staying warm and very humid. And then for tomorrow, those heat index values will be approaching 115 degrees at times, with those actual high temperatures in the upper 90s. So get ready for more of that heat in the 7-day forecast, staying hot through the weekend and early next week. Yes, it looks like 100 degrees is a little bit more likely for us on Tuesday with slightly drier conditions, but storm chances increase just slightly for Wednesday and Thursday. That will cool us off by a few degrees, but still running above normal. Andrew?
All right.